Ladies and gentlemen, DJ B. Today we are working on this FLX10. The client complained there's a power issue, and the port is damaged. You can see right in the middle. Doesn't look right. So we're not even gonna mess with it. We're just gonna go ahead and try to replace it. So we're gonna open it up and go that way.
A few moments later.
Okay, with the unit open, I heard a little noise and I found this little pin here, which I don't really know what it belongs to, but we're gonna put it to the side and continue to do a little shaking here. Make sure that nothing else is loose. But yeah, we're gonna proceed with removing this top board here. Okay, we got this board out. We're checking this area. This looks good, right? Don't see any issues. So that means only the inside part that got damaged. So we're just gonna go ahead and replace it. So we're gonna take this out. Get the card out. We're gonna go ahead and find the new port. Okay, got the new port ready to go. We're gonna put some flux in the side of this thing. Okay, got it out. We're gonna throw in the garbage. Pop the new one in. Right in. Just gotta solder it.
A few moments later.
Okay, I put the board back. I didn't put all of the screws. I just put a few where some of these grounds are. But we want to test first. Always test first before you go crazy. You know what I mean? Also do a little shake. Make sure there's nothing loose. I'm just going to turn these to the left. Okay, so we're going to use the original. And let's plug it. Let's see. Power's in. Voila. Unit is good. Yep. So that was it. Definitely our port. Look what it says. Negrito. I know him. Anyway, we're all set. We're going to turn off this unit, and this repair has been completed. So anytime you got a bad port, do not try to fix it or play around with it. You know what I mean? You want to keep professional. You know what I mean? You want the real deal. That way there's no issues while you're DJing and things keep getting unplugged and replugged, and guess what? You know what I mean? It's going to mess you up. So thanks for watching, like, and subscribe.